Welcome back. So finally we have completed our add product page. Now you can see we have some validations, and we can also we can simply add product, and we have view page, view products page. We can delete them, edit them, and we can check the details of the product, right? Now it's time to work on orders, right? So if I go to my the folder, the front end folder, and then check the files. For example, we have order details. This is basically, I have orders detail page that we will convert in Laravel, and then we have a orders page simply, right? The two pages that we have, we will simply convert them in our Laravel. So if I just go to my orders folder directory that I've created, so if I go and right click and just create a new blade file called index, and then I need just the details, right? Okay, now if I just go and open both of them in my text editor, and simply I will just need okay, first I will extend the master layout, extends admin.layout.master, and then of course a section that I need is the page section, where I will simply add the name of the page, which is in our case orders, right? So let me just create a route for it. So if I go to web.php and simply will create a route for our orders, of course we will follow the resource route. We can also use our simple routes, but I think resource would be better. So orders, and then order controller. Yeah, we of course we need a model and controller and migration for our order. So if I just go to my terminal, and I'll just create all of them. So if I say php artisan make model, and the name of the model would be order, and then I need a migration controller. Yep, I think migration controller for them. So if I just press enter, now this will create a migrations for it, and then the model and controller, of course, right? So if I go to controllers, and then and there we go, we have our order controller, right? So if I open this, and simply I'll create a first method, which would be index, and that will return a view which is inside admin, and then admin orders, and then index, right? Admin orders and then index. Okay, that's enough for now. And if I just visit the orders page, now you can see we can see our orders page simply. So let's just create a view for it. I'll simply just copy some markups from orders page, which is okay, I'll just pause the video and copy the content from content, and just paste them. I'll simply do simple work. Okay, so I've copied the class or row and paste them inside the section of content, right? For details, of course, we do the same. First we need to extend the layouts, the master layout, and then the name of the page, which would be order details. Okay, well, at least for now we'll just let it, and in the next series, when we work on our orders detail page, so we will complete this, right? We'll just simply will paste the codes, and we will let it. Okay, from row, just copy this row, and then this section we're working, which is basically content, and then end section, and then paste the row, right? We'll work on it later at the videos, right? So This is the view of our orders, and in the next video we'll be create our migration files, and then we'll work on it, right? So see you in the next video.